This is a Generac 20 kW whole house generator with an automatic transfer switch that was installed in late 2018. In the middle of the winter, January 2019, we had a 6-hour power outage where I realized that the generator had stopped running. And when I went out to inspect it, I noticed a low oil pressure alarm, error code 1300. Upon further inspection, I realized that there was oil all over the inside of the generator. I initially thought that the engine had blown up. After the dealer came out and inspected the generator, we realized that what had happened was the dipstick had either blown out of the generator or for some reason was never reinstalled after the last oil change. Fortunately, the dealer was able to clean up all of this oil mess and then refill the generator with fresh oil, and it hasn't had any issues at all. So the Generacs have a low oil pressure feature that automatically shuts down the engine before it causes any damage to the engine itself. Since this outage, the Generac has been running for another year without any issue, and I've been really happy with it. So aside from this one problem, it's been running flawlessly for several years now.